So getting started selling your print-on-demand products with Etsy is a great place for you to make passive income online. But if you are trying to start your Etsy shop the traditional way with just selling regular designs on Etsy, you may not get to that first 100 sales as fast as possible, and therefore it may take you a long time to really generate a real income online. Well, in today's video, I'm sharing with you easy things you can do if you are new to selling products on Etsy that can really break you from the rest of the group that are starting, and how you can really set yourself up in a best way by getting quick sales with your Etsy shop. I'm sharing with you all of this coming up next. Welcome back to the video, my friends. If you're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I teach you how to make passive income online by creating and selling your own products. And so if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. Now, the main platform that we're going to use for our print-on-demand business is Printify. Printify is my #1 place I use for all of my print-on-demand products, as they take care of all the hard work for you, like printing out your t-shirts and actually shipping it to your customers. This allows this business to be extremely passive, as you don't have to hold any inventory in your home, and this allows you to really scale your business because you can take on as many orders as you want, because you don't have to physically touch those items to get it shipped out to your customer. Now, Printify was so kind to give my viewers a free trial run with their premium version, where this allows you to get the products at a major discount, therefore helping you increase your overall profit margins. And so if you want to learn more about Printify, I'll make sure I leave all the details along with the discount code in my description box below for you to see if this is best for your print-on-demand business. So the first thing you want to do if you want to break through the saturated market and actually earn your first 100 sales on Etsy selling print-on-demand products is to focus on the micro niches. And so when you go into Etsy and do your product research, it's very easy to search broad and not find these spaces that are underserved in regards to the products that are created. And so an easy way to find micro niches in whatever area you want to sell is to focus on 4 things. That is people, professions, occasions, and seasons. So when you think about people, it can be anything from mom, dad, auntie, grandma. When you think about professions, you can think about teacher or nurse. And even with those 2 categories, there are a ton of different teachers you can aim for, like an art teacher, a music teacher, a PE teacher, a 5th grade teacher, a history teacher, or you can go in a little bit further, even with nurses, and focus on an ICU nurse or a delivery nurse. There are so many opportunities for you to target specific people along with their professions and really drive sales, because you're focusing on that specific audience. Along with that, you can also focus on occasions. Some of the occasions that I have earned some sales in regards to my personal shop is the retirement occasion. There are people retiring all the time. You can create a demanding t-shirt, but focus on that specific occasion. Also, having a new baby is a special occasion. Again, think about trending designs and merging different occasions to target specific individuals. And last, you definitely want to focus on seasons, right? There are so many opportunities for you to have a spike in sales if you are focused on the upcoming season. But again, you want to focus on these micro niches, focus on these 4 areas, and start designing products for these specific people, so you can actually target those folks who are looking for specific items in regards to what they enjoy. So when you think about people, there are multiple ways for you to identify one person. For instance, some people say mom, others say mama, others say mother, others say ma. So there are different terms you can focus on in regards to one person. The same thing can be found in regards to grandma. Some people call them Gigi, some people call them Nana, some people call them grandma. Again, this is different terms you can focus on and create designs inspired by different people and even how they are identified from others. So as you are doing your product research, you definitely want to focus on these 4 areas, as you will start seeing a ton of opportunities to merge over trending designs in these spaces and start creating products people are looking for. Now, another way for you to stand out in a large saturated space and earn your first 100 sales is to focus on demanding designs, but then put a twist on it in regards to offering customizations or personalizations. Now, before we even get to the opportunities to create customized items and personalized items, again, these things are not going to work if you have not done your product research in the beginning. The goal of this little space here is to create a demanding product and then add that extra feature to stand above the rest of the competition in regards to offering customizations and personalizations. This is a great way for you to stand out on any niche because Etsy is a place where people want to find personalized items to really make it their own. And you can actually set up your Printify shop to sell customized items and sync with the Etsy shop. Now, these personalized items can involve someone's name, or if you're focusing on a sports team, you can involve a sport team name there. Again, I would focus on staying away from the majors in regards to professional sports teams, but people have, softball teams for their child, or a cheer team, or a hockey team all the time. And so they can add in their child's sport team there along with their child's number to their designs. I see a lot of this being done with a softball mom shirt, as they have the name of the team on their shirt and that specific number to identify that player or that child for that parent. This is a great way for you to stand out and really bring in just a small touch to designs that are already doing well, but this can make your product stand out even more. Etsy gives you a little space for someone to add some personalized notes for you to make the changes necessary for them to get the product that they want. Again, this is already built into Etsy, which makes it so easy for you to integrate with Printify and start selling these designs on your shop. And now another place for you to stand out as a new Etsy seller and get your first 100 sales is to actually utilize some trending areas to lay your design on. Now, the traditional space is right in the middle where most of the t-shirt designs are placed. However, if you find this trend in Etsy, you will start seeing that some of the designs that are selling well is actually in the pocket area of the t-shirt. Again, this is a great way for you to find your demanding designs and bring some unique things to your design, but place them on a different area of the t-shirt. Again, this is easily spotted in search, as there are specific people looking for pocket style t-shirt designs, and your item can stand out above the rest of the competition. Now, what's cool about using Printify is that Printify gives you the opportunity to actually create your designs on different places with your t-shirt. And with utilizing Printify, you are able to create these pocket style t-shirt designs right there on Printify that can sync over to your Etsy shop. Now, along with finding trending product areas to place your design, another great place to stand out and place your design is actually on the back of your product. We see this a lot in regards to sweatshirts that are being sold, as the main focal point of their design is not on the front or in the pocket area, but actually on the back of their product. Again, this is just one more way you can stand out and actually earn your first 100 sales by offering something different than the rest of the competitors. Again, the whole point of this is to follow these trends and start creating demanding designs to offer them to those who are searching for it on Etsy. Now, Printify can also do designs on the back of the t-shirt as you are creating your designs with Printify. You can actually upload your design and easily switch over to the back of your product, in our case, our t-shirt, and we can do the same as we did with the front of the t-shirt. Put the design on the back of the t-shirt. Our print provider will print our design on the back of the t-shirt so it can be shipped out to our customer. Now, if you think about everything we talked about in today's video, we're talking about focus on the 4 areas like people, professions, occasions, and seasons, standing out with our product by offering customizations and personalizations, and utilizing trending designs on trending spaces with our product. Merging all of these things together will allow you to create a product that is a high potential product where people can purchase it. So as you can see, it is really easy to break through the saturated market if you know exactly the steps you need to take to make your products different, but still fitting in things that are demanding right now on Etsy. And by utilizing Printify, you are able to make these unique designs on the top of the shirt, on the back of the shirt, as well as bring in different variations with customizations and personalizations to these designs. Now, if you want to learn more about how Printify can help you with that, again, I make sure I leave all the details along with that discount code for you to see if this is best for your print on demand business. Now, one of the main ways you're going to drive traffic to your products is using amazing keywords in your title and your tags. Now, if you want to learn that next step of how to create a winning title, then make sure you check out this next video here. And if you want to learn more about how to make passive income online, then make sure you subscribe to my channel here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.